So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you all on how to update your Google Sheets with one click. So let's get started. So first you have to sign in to n8n and you get a 14 days free trial. Okay, after that just go to here and create my workflow. Okay. So I already got my workflow. So let me show you all. Okay, this is my workflow. Just select one clicking execute workflow, and after that I have connected my Google Sheets. So I'm going to delete all of these and explain it once more time. So let's get started. So first let's trigger this manually, and after that I will select Google Sheets. Okay, so let's get rows in Sheets. Okay, I already connected my Google Sheets account. Resource sheet within document, get rows. Okay, and from list I'm going to get this. Okay, so I already updated, so let me just remove it this, so to show you all. So okay, so I have given some names, roll numbers, marks and total. So I want a grade, so I want this automatically, and this is a small example, we only have 4. So what if we have 100? So okay, so this is useful and you can create your own Google Sheets. So let me select this, and you only have one sheet. Okay, so let me execute this. So we get the data. See, we want the data. So grade is empty, so we want the grade. So let me just connect my Google AI agent, and I'm going to connect Google Gemini, and the version is Flash Preview. Okay, and let's define below. So let's give this from I want some grades as the output, and and here is the information of the student marks. So let me just give the student name so it understands it more. Okay, so we have given it the name, and after that total marks. Okay, so total marks here. Okay, so after that we need to specify the grades. Okay, let me just specify it. The grade go like this. Okay, so from 100 to 90, let's say, like A plus, and 90 to 80 some A, and like that we have to go 80 to 70. So this is going to take a while. B plus, and 70 to 60 as B, and 60 to 50 as C plus, and 50 to 40 as C. So let me just give this as 35. So I'm just going to say from 35 to 0. So let's just say less than 35 fail. Okay, so we have given the grade. So we want a specific required output. So it's because we are updating a Google Sheets. Okay, let me just give this option required specific output. So we're going to get it output parser. So in the output parser we want a structured output parser. So let me just remove this. So what do you want? We want some grades. Okay, so in this grades we want alphabet for suppose. Okay, so I'm going to save this and execute. So we got 4 items. See, 4 items. Okay, so it we also got 4 items. So let's see the output. Grade, 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 grade. So like that we will get automatic. So so now we need to update our Google Sheets. So let me just give another Google Sheets here. So what do we want? Update row in sheets. So we want to update our row in sheets. Okay, all these are same. So I'm going to select this again, and you will have one sheet. So now we want to map each column manually. So select a column to match on. So mainly use row number. So this is consistent. Even if we get some duplicate names and roll numbers like that. Okay. So row number using to match. So we have already executed. So let's go to Google Sheets. So we will get our row number. Sorry, this is roll number. So our row number here. So just insert this into here, and we're not going to update name or roll number or all these. So we are going to only update grade. So we got the grade output here. So just input it here. So after that, okay, everything looks good. Let me execute it. Let's see the output. So let's see. So it updated. Okay, so for suppose, let me just clear this. And so what if we have another name like let's say, so let's just take a duplicate name like this. So I'm going to give 10 and 15, sorry, 50, 15, and the total is 25. So now we need to get okay, sorry, this is roll number. So for suppose if I say like 15 here, so we get the output as 30. So after we got that, so I'm going to execute this workflow once again. Let's just save it. So now we will get 5 items. See, 5 items. One is done, two is done, three is done, four is done, five is done. So it will update. So we got fail. Okay, so sometimes we will have a data more than 100. So whenever that happens, we need to loop our items. So because this is Google agent is using completion tokens, so we don't need to exceed this. So when we exceed the specified number of tokens, it will overload and it will stop working. So let me just give a loop over items split in batch. So we can give like five at a 5 at a time. Delete this, replace me, and we're not going to. So we will select this loop into a agent. So after this, after 5 items is completed, you need to come back, okay, and loop over again. So let me say this. So okay, everything is fine. So let me just delete this again, and let's just give some duplicate data. Let's see here. So 10 items, we only want to do 5 items each. So after 5 items completed, on the 5 items. So after these 5 items will complete, it will go to done and do nothing. So let's see. So okay, some anomalies here. Let me just give only give me grades and not names. So it will work. Let me just delete this and let me execute this once again. Let's see. 5 items. 5 are done. it will do call again. So 10 items now. 7. Okay, it's taking longer than expected. I don't know why. Let's see. Okay, let me just stop it. And okay, here is an issue. Let me just give one at a time, so it won't take much longer. And let me just delete this, and let's say execute workflow. So it will not take any longer. It's just one item at a time. So let's see. See, already updated. 7. Looking again. 8. So it's a lot more consistent. So that's how you will update your Google Sheets with one click if you give a simple prompt to the AI agent and the data. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.